All right, this is what I would do to handle this problem if I were you guys. First of all, I would find a template for a balance sheet and an income statement because that's what you're going to be completing. So there's one in your chapter. I saw them there. I don't have the page numbers with me. You can also Google them too. But you want to see what a balance sheet looks like, a common balance sheet, and what a common multi step income statement looks like. And again, they're in your book, they're online, they're everywhere. Take the one from the book since that's right there. It'll give you an idea of how to set up your Excel spreadsheet. You're going to want a spreadsheet, the first tab to say income statement, and then put in all the categories that you see in your book, write them down, all the interest and income, and then some subtotals, then your expenses, and then ending on net income. Then open a second Excel tab, label a balance sheet, and then put in all the items that you see in the typical balance sheet without the amounts because you're going to get them again from here. You're given a trial balance right here. And a trial balance is all of the account balances. It tells you everything. It tells you income, expense. It tells you assets, liabilities. It tells you equity. And you're going to take these amounts and you're going to transfer those over into those Excel spreadsheets that you're starting. But the first thing you have to do is you have to decide where these belong. So you're going to go through them one at a time and just label them, even if you print it out. What is accounts payable? Where does it fall in the financial statements? Is it an asset? Is it an expense? Is it a liability? Well, accounts payable is something we owe. It's a liability. Put a little L next to it. I don't think, let's see. Yeah, just put a little L next to it for whatever way that you're keeping track. Go through and label all these. Then go through and then put these amounts onto your spreadsheets where they belong. There'll be a place for accounts payable for all of these. If you don't see a place for one of them, add a category where you know it belongs on either the income statement or the balance sheet. And if you read, you'll see which one you should probably do first. You're probably going to want to start your income statement first to know how much income you made, so that carries over to the balance sheet. But fill in all the categories, make up the balance sheet and income statement with the categories, but not the amounts yet. Start that way. And your big key is going to try to get that balance sheet to balance to know that you've done things right. And that is it. You don't need a cover sheet, you don't need reference or anything like that. So hopefully this helps, and I am glad to step in and produce this little tutorial. Good luck, guys.